Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and you well. So in today's video viewers, we are exploring amazing wood crafts ideas that are beautiful, creative and easy to make. Wood is one of most popular material for dye project because it is strong, natural and timeless. With a few simple tools and a little imagination, you can create wonderful decoration for your home and garden. Let's get started. Our first idea is a roasted wooden walls. Take a smooth wooden board, sand and surface, paint it on your favorite color or keep the natural wood finish. Write a welcome message, a family name or an inspiration quote. Hang it on your front door or inside your home. It creates a warm and friendly atmosphere. Our next idea is a wooden flower planter. For a simple box, use a wooden piece, paint or stand the wood plant. Colorful flower, herb or small shelf. Place the planter on your porch, balcony or garden. It adds natural beauty to any outdoor space. Now let's make a wooden candle holder. Use a small piece of wood drill holes to hold tea lights candle. Sand the edges they are smooth. The finished candle holder creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. Another beautiful project is a wooden serving tray. Cut a flat wooden board, attach two handles, sand the entry surface, apply a wood safe finish. This tray is perfect for serving breakfast, coffee or afternoon tea. Let's create a wooden photo frame. Use thin wooden strip, join them into a square or rectangle, paint or stand the frame. Add your favorite family picture. This handmade frame also make a thoughtful gift. Now let's decorate with wooden shelves. Simple floating shelf provides space for both candle plants and decorative items. Natural wood shelves match almost every home decor style. Our next idea is a wooden coaster. Cut small round or square piece of wood. Sand the surface, carefully decorate with paint, wood or simple pattern, powder them with a clear finish. These coasters are both useful and beautiful. Another fun project is a wooden birdhouse. Put a small house using lightweight wood painted with cheerful color. Hang it safely in your garden so birds may visit your outdoor space. Let's make wooden plant stand. Put a simple stand using wooden pot. Display your favorites indoor or outdoor plants. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Allah Hafiz. See you in the